Do you like this flower? This is Duranta erecta, commonly called sky flower, golden dewdrop, or pigeon berry. This plant is widely planted as an ornamental plant. The flowers and leaves of this plant are very beautiful. This plant is easily propagated by cuttings. When pruning the plant, if the small cuttings are planted in the soil, the cuttings will grow roots after a few days. This plant can be easily grown in containers on the terrace or balcony. This plant looks very beautiful in a hanging basket. The flowers of this plant have a light vanilla flavor. Flowers bloom almost all year round except winter. Leaves fall in winter. If this plant is not watered for a long time, the leaves dry quickly. This plant is very popular for making fences. Apart from flowers, this plant looks very beautiful. This plant does not need any special care if it is planted in the ground. There is no problem even if you don't give any kind of fertilizer to the plant. Just prune the plant to keep it in good shape. But care is required when this plant is planted in a container or hanging basket. Plants should be planted in well-drained soil. The plant should be watered regularly. Organic fertilizers should be applied to the soil for good plant growth. Liquid fertilizer should be given twice a month. The plant should be kept in sunlight. And the unnecessary weeds growing in the soil of the pot should be uprooted.